Mogodu, also known as tripe, is a traditional dish made from the lining of a cow's stomach. The dish is usually made for ceremonies and large communities, gatherings, and today we're making it in the comfort of our own home. You're going to add your clean tripe or mukhodo onto the pot, and to that we're going to add some aromatics, which are your bay leaves, onions, and a chili pepper. If you don't want it spicy, you can leave out the chili pepper. I'm gonna season with about a tablespoon and a half of salt. We're gonna cover that with cold water, bring to a boil, and we're going to simmer that for 4 hours until our mukhodo is tender. Yes, honey, this is a dish that you have to be patient with, unless if you have a pressure cooker, then you are in for a treat. Cover and simmer for 4 hours while you keep checking the water level. Once the 4 hours has elapsed, going to go ahead and check the doneness of the mukhodo. It should be slightly done, but not completely done. You're gonna put that aside along with the water. Don't discard anything, and we're going to continue building the flavors. In the same pan or pot, you're going to add some oil, finely chopped red onion or white onion should do, red, yellow, and green bell peppers, as well as fresh chopped garlic. We're also gonna add some fresh crushed ginger. Saute that until translucent. Then we're going to go ahead and add our spices. I added some mild curry powder. For this dish, I was going for spicy flavors, so you can just adjust the amount that you want according to your spice level. I also added some mother-in-law masala. I added two of them, the hot one and the mild one, and this just gives so much depth of flavor as well. Again, if you don't like chili, you can just lessen the amount or adjust the spices. Then we're also gonna add some beef stock cube. You can also use chicken stock cube, but I wanted that rich depth of flavor. I went with the beef stock cube. After this, you're gonna go ahead and return back the mukhodo and the liquid or the stock inside the pot, and you're going to stir away, cover to let simmer for about 10 minutes. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tato and I share recipes that make you wanna cook. And if you are a regular, hey honey. After you return the mukhodo back into the pot, you're going to let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes just so the mukhodo can absorb the flavors that we just built. After 10 minutes, that's when you're going to add more water to simmer further for another 2 hours until the mukhodo is tender and you are able to eat it. The amount of water will depend on how much sauce or gravy you want at the end of your cooking. So add as little or as much as you like. That is our mukhodo after the last 2 hours. The total cooking time was 6 hours. So yeah, is it worth it or not? Comment down below and show me some love, and I'll show you back some love. And I hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy.